when we want to execute a code block, when the condition is true, decision making comes to the rescue. Okay, the if and also elif and also else statement is used in Python for decision making. So let me give you an example here so you understand that better. Okay, so or a syntax for if statement. So here we have if. Okay, whenever you're trying to use if statement, you have to use if is a keyword, and then you use your test expression or your expression here. Okay, or the condition is going to be here. So I'm going to use expression and then semicolon and then hit enter. Be careful about this space that is here. This space must be here. Okay, if you don't add that, it's not going to work. Okay, and in here we are going to have a statement. Okay, so it's like this: if this test expression, which is a condition, okay, if this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. If this part, this condition is not true in any kind of reason, this statement will not be executed. Okay, and if you put some code here out of this block, okay, that means out of this space, it's gonna be executed all the time. It means always. Okay, let's go with a real example. So I have a which is equal to 10, and here let's say if a is greater than 0, down here I'm going to print a statement, and let's say a is a positive number, something like this. And if I put anything out of this, okay, this text is going to be always printed. Okay, so I will say this statement always will print. Let's save it and run it. Okay, when I ran it, you see 10 is a positive number. Why is it positive? Because we have a condition here. Okay, and this condition right now it is true, and this one is all the time it's going to be executed. Okay, it's always going to be printed because it's out of the if statement. Okay, it doesn't have anything to do with this condition. Right now you see a is greater than 0. Yes, it is. Okay, it's a is 10, so it is greater than 0, and this block of code will be executed. So we have a, the value for a is 10, so 10 is a positive number. That is cool. And also this will that always will be executed, and right now right here is also executed. Okay, now if I change the number to a negative number, something like this, now if I ran it, what do you think? So first, when we ran it, it will come and check it. Okay, if this condition is true or false. As you see, it is negative 10. Okay, or minus 10 is not true, it's false. Then this block of code will not be executed. This will be ignored, and this one, which is all the time, will be executed, and it's executed. So this statement always will be printed. So this is the Python if statement syntax. Okay, what else do we have about decision making? We also have else statement. Okay, so in the next video I will show you else statement and also elif statement. Okay.